Hello, guys. Once again, I want to say happy new month, and I want to use this opportunity to talk about my previous topic on how to make passive income online. Today, I want to talk strictly on forex. I know most of you might be familiar or might have heard about forex trading, but today I want to make it specific for those who really have a burden, who really are going through financial crisis, who really are feeling stressed right now in this epidemic. I know most of you have gone through a lot of challenges in life, but there are certain group of people who needs a turnaround, an immediate turnaround of their life. I'm part of those group of people who have seen a lot of things in life. I have undergo a lot of challenges in my life, and I've seen the stress that life has given. And I had to go through a lot of poverty is a disease. Most of you might not know, but I'm telling you today that poverty is a disease. So I come to you today to provide you a simple and legitimate way you can make passive income online. All you need to do is sacrifice. Most people want to get rich, but not all are ready to sacrifice. Now, sacrifice in the sense that you have to invest. You have to invest your money in the long run. You have to invest your money, hold, and wait for it to grow. This is an age or a time where our money should be working for us, not we working for money. So today I want to talk about forex trading. Now, forex trading with bots. That is exactly what I want to do. Forex trading with bots. This is what I am doing, and this is what I want to share. I made it as a prize in me that if I'm able to find out a possible and legitimate way of making money online, I'm going to be sharing it with every single person, every single follower, every single subscriber of my channel, that they will see how I make passive income from where I started, from $0 to the very point I am making some passive income. So let's go directly. What is exactly is this forex trading? So let's see. And after this video, I'm going to be showing you my personal account, my personal forex trading account that I'm be using. I'm not a trader of forex. In fact, I knew about forex in the year 2015, but I never practiced forex my own. So that was last year I found out about this forex trading with bot, and I had to take a risk. I learned it, and I saw that the boat was trading at a plus. The boat was giving me a passive income. I only invested at the beginning. I invested that was about $150, and now I'm talking about 500 and something dollar in my deposit account, the trading account. So you can see the increase within the space of 6 months. I'm able to increase the fund from $150 to $500 using both, without my experience, without me doing nothing. Plus, I'm just sitting and looking at what the boat is doing, and at times I don't even care to look at it. I just come and check my account. I see it has topped up. So that is the system I want to show you today. So if this video is for you, if you really want a change, if you want to make passive income legitimately online, I think you should watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time coming across my videos on forex trading with bots, it doesn't matter what experience you have in trading. It doesn't matter if you're a new beginner. It doesn't matter if you are a computer genius or a programmer. This is for everybody. Willingly, if you are ready to make passive income online and you want to increase your income, you want to have a steady flow of passive income money coming into your account monthly basis, this is for you. So let's dive straight to the point. So if this is your first time, please click on the subscribe button, click on the follow button to follow up with this channel, so you can be seeing how my various steps and various strategies on how I make passive income online. I just introduced you a new system that I'm using, forex trading with bot. Last time I introduced a system on cryptocurrency. These are parts of my trading that I use and part of the system that I use in making passive income online. I'm going to be introducing more and more systems that I have that I've been using for a long time that has been benefiting me up to this very moment, and I want to share it with you. So click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will not be left out. So that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to get the information. Now let's go right to the point. How automated forex trading robots work. Now, if you read through this article, you'll see that if you are a novice trader, somebody who has no idea about trading, you may be wondering, do automated trading robots work? The simple answer is yes. I am not the one who wrote this. This is written by a fsdailyreport.com. You can visit the site and you check for yourself. This is not my platform or my forum. This is what I find out from Google, and this is what he wrote. He said, if you are a novice trader, you may be wondering, do automated trading robots work? The simple answer is yes. Robots are automated applications with a set of rules to help you execute trades with little effort. Some can watch the price movements and scan numerous charts even when the trading direction is not clear. With the right system, you can achieve a high level of success, while minimizing the risk. Although most forex robots promise profitable trades, finding a good one can be tedious task. Read on and learn more. I told you, robots are not human. They are better, faster, reliable, and more equipped than human. They can chat, they can trade, they can read billions of charts and manipulate them and use them in the right processes to generate funds for you positively. They can make success, they can make profit for you. They can even reduce the risk, minimize the risk. They don't get tired. This is their job. They are formed, they are written, they are built for this job. So I am telling you that there is a bot, a forex robot that is working for me right now that is available, that will help you to generate passive income without you going at a loss. What you need to do is to invest in it. So that is the few. I'm going to be talking about this passive income method in frequent videos. So I want to make a quick shot. Now let's go directly into my my forex account. This is a live forex account. You can look at it. This is my name there at the left hand side. This is all information. Now for you to join this broker that I'm using, you have to register through my reference link. You can see all the reference link that I have here. They're all written here. These are my reference link highlighted below. I will be putting them in my descriptions, so you should be aware of it. Now you should register through this reference. The reason is because I am already a registered broker, or I'm already a registered partner of this broker, and you will be benefited now when you are able to register and you are interested in investing in this forex trading. You have a benefit. The benefit is the fact that you after buying the robot, your programmer will be checking your robot for you, helping you to ensure the robot is working according to the plan. If there is any error, it's going to be assisting you in correcting them. Also, teaching you on how to use the robot to trade. You don't have anything serious to do. It is just very easy, and that is working for me. Now, let me show you my dashboard and show you what I generated for just less than 6 months that I've been using this forex trading account. This is a live account, and you can see here, this is my account written here. This is my account. Now you can see the amount of money that I have, balance that I have here. Now you can see it's $50,738.74 US dollars. This is it, and this is the money the robot uses to trade. In the next video, I'm going to be showing the chart on how the robot trades and how the chart moves, what happens. I want you guys to be aware, because I believe that we rise by lifting others. That is why I'm sacrificing everything I have to do to ensure that a lot of people are benefiting from these things. A lot of people are being motivated, and a lot of people eliminate that mentality of poverty, that poverty mentality. That is a disease. I know what it means. I know what I've gone through as a child with no parents, and after graduating from my university, I know what I passed through before I came to this level that I am today. Living in my own apartment, taking care of my needs and paying my bills, and able to generate passive income online. It is not easy. So I want you to be motivated with this. That is why, if you are interested, let me know. I will put you through. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Remain blessed.